Hello students, good morning to all of you. Today we have the two numericals in which we need to find the charge and potential difference across each capacitor. Okay, the first we have circuit in which four resistors are connected in such a way with a battery of or with a supply of 300 volt, and another in which the five capacitance 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 connected across a circuit with a potential of 100 volt. In the second we need to calculate also the energy across each capacitor. Okay, so first we will start solution number 1. Okay, now students, this we have the circuit in question number 1 in which this is capacitor C1, this is C2, this is C3 and this is C4. This circuit can be resolved as, if these are the point A and B, therefore we can resolve it like that. From point A this, in which this is C1, this is C2, this is C3 and this is point B and this point is C4. Clear? This is reduced to this circuit. Now you can easily observe here and this is the potential across the circuit is 300 volt. Now here first we have C2 and C3 in series, therefore C23 is equal to C2 into C3 upon C2 plus C3, which is equal to 200 into 200 upon 200 plus 200. Okay, then we get from here C23 is equal to 200 into 200 upon 400. Here these two zeros are cancelled and this is cancelled by 2 times, this cancelled by 100 times. Therefore you will get from here that C23 is equal to 100 picofarad. This we get the first situation. Then the circuit is reduced to like that, from point A to B, where this is C4, this is C23 and this is C1. Now you can easily observe here, now C1 and C23 in parallel. Okay, therefore Cp is equal to C1 plus C23, which you will get from here is 100 plus 100, that is Cp is equal to 200 picofarad. Okay, now this circuit is reduced to from point A to point B is C1 and Cp. Clear? Now the two are in series. Therefore C1 and Cp in series, that is CAB, which you called CS, which is equal to equivalent resistance, equivalent capacitor. So we use here only value of CE, which is equal to C1 Cp upon C1 plus Cp, that we get from here. C equivalent is equal to 100 into 200 upon 100 plus 200, which we calculate here 100 into 200 upon 300, that is the final result which we get for the equivalent capacitor is this 0 cancel, and this is 200 upon 3 picofarad. And now the circuit is reduced to A and B. C equivalent, which is 200 upon 3 picofarad, across a potential difference of 100 volt, of 300 volt. Okay, now this is first step, second step, third, and now this is the fourth step. Okay, now here we have to calculate the charge and potential difference across each capacitor. Clear? So this is the simplest situation, condition. Now we need to move from fourth to third to second to one to calculate the quantities in the question. Therefore, first we have the value of capacitor. C is equal to Q upon V. Okay. Now from here you will calculate that Q is equal to CV. Clear? Now first we calculate the charge in the circuit. Q equivalent equal to Q in the circuit is CV, which is equal to C is 200 upon 3 into picofarad, which is equal to 10 to the power minus 12 into 300. Now you find that this is cancelled by 100 times. This charge Q is equal to 2 into 10 to the power 4 minus 12 coulomb, that is Q is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. This is the charge in the circuit. Here we calculate the charge is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. This is actually QE, total charge in the circuit. Now the circuit is at third stage, second. Figure 3 or third situation, C1 and Cp in series. Therefore, charge Q1 equal to QP equal to this much, that is QE, which is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. Now you will calculate from here charge Q1 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. This is the first case. Now need to calculate the potential across Q1. Therefore V1 is equal to, we have formula this, Q upon C1. Here we have 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 and the value of C1 is 1 minute, this is not C1, C4. C4, C4. Now this is C4, Q4 and this is 4. Therefore voltage across 4 and this is C4. Sorry, we just taken here, okay, in place of C4 is C1. That C4 is equal to 100 picofarad, that means 100 into 10 to the power minus 12. When you solve this, you will get V4 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 8 into 10 to the power 100 cancel is 10, which means V4 is equal to 200 volt. Okay, therefore Vp is equal to V minus V4, which you will calculate from here, 300 minus 200, that is Vp is equal to 100 volt here. Okay, this potential is 100 volt. Now move to the next case. In second, C1 and C23 in parallel combination, and this circuit, we are discussing about this circuit which is equivalent to Cp. Okay, therefore Vp equal to V1 equal to V23, because in parallel combination the voltage across same. See, for these 2 points, if this capacitor use 200 volt and total we have the 300 volt, then 100 volt is move further across the 2, so it is equal to 100 volt. Okay, now Q1 is equal to C1 V1, which is C1 we have 100 into V1 we have 100 picofarad, which means 10 to the power minus 12 into this we have 100 and this will be in the coulomb. Therefore Q1 is equal to 10 to the power 4 minus 10 to the power 12 coulomb, which you get 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. That is Q1 is equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. This is the charge across capacitor C1. Okay, now after this we are moving for the circuit 1. Okay, in circuit 1 we have V23 equal to 100 volt. Okay, and 2-3 in series, C2 and C3 in series. Therefore, and C2 equal to C3 equal to 200 picofarad, because both values of capacitor are same. Therefore, we find that the potential is equally distributed, which means V2 equal to V3 equal to V23 by 2. in series combination the potential will distribute, okay, as V1 plus V2, okay, and here the values are equal, therefore 100 upon 2, which means V2 equal to V3 equal to 50 volt. This is the distribution of voltage potential difference across C2 and C3. Now Q1 equal to Q2 because C1 and C2 in series. Therefore, we can calculate that Q1 equal to Q2 by any of the value of C1 or C2 into V1, V2 or V3. Okay, that is C3 and V3. For any value, you will calculate the result. Therefore, Q1 equal to Q2 is equal to this value. C2 is 200 into 10 to the power minus 12 and V2 is 50. If you solve for this, C3 is 200 into 10 to the power minus 12 and V3 is 50. You will get the same result. So this will be 10,000 into 10 to the power minus 12 coulomb. This we get 2000 and 0 10,000. So Q1 equal to Q2 equal to 1 into 10 to the power minus 8 coulomb. So these are the value of individual capacitor charge and potential difference. Okay, and this is how you can solve the numerical related to the distribution of charge and potential difference. This is finally Q1, Q2, Q3 from the situations are same, and Q4 is 2 into 10 to the power minus 8. Now V1 from here 100 volt, V2, V3 from here 50 volts, and V4 this we calculate here is 200 volt. Now students, second numerical is, here we have to calculate the charge and potential difference as well as the energy across each capacitor. Okay, now first we name the capacitors. Here this is C1, this is C2, this is C3, this one is C4, this is C5. Okay, now here you can easily observe that C1 and C2 in series, C4 and C5 also in series. Okay, now first we solve the two things. In circuit, C1 and C2 in series and C4 and C5 also in series. Okay, therefore we can calculate here that C12 is equal to C1 C2 upon C1 plus C2, which we calculate that 30 into 60 upon 30 plus 60, which is equal to 30 into 60 upon 90. This cancel by 3 times, this cancel by 20 times. So C12 is equal to 20 microfarad. This we have first solution. And now C45, I will just write direct the values. 20 into 10 upon 20 plus 10. This you will get 200 upon 30, which will be C45 is 20 by 3 microfarad. Okay. After doing so, the circuit is reduced to this, where this is C12, this is C45 and this is C3. Okay, now from point these two C12 and now C12 and C3 in parallel combination. Therefore CP we calculate from here is C12 plus C3, which is equal to 20 plus 40, which you will get from here is 60 microfarad. Okay, now the circuit is reduced to CP and C45. Now you can easily here this is first situation, this is second situation, and now this is third situation. Here you will easily calculate that CP and C45 in series. Therefore C equivalent is equal to CP into C45 upon CP into C45. On solving this, this value is 60 into 20 by 3 upon 60 plus 20 by 3. Okay, now by taking LCM, C equivalent is equal to 1200 by 3 upon this 3 multiply 180 is will become 180 plus 20 by 3. This 3 cancel and we get C equivalent is equal to 1200 upon 200, which cancel by this 6 times. That means C equivalent is 6 microfarad. Okay. Now the circuit is reduced to C equivalent upon 100 volt supply. Okay, now charge across this we calculate that C equivalent into voltage, which is 6 into 10 to the power minus 6 into voltage we have 100. That means 6 is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb. This is first value of charge, which means total charge. Now the circuit is moved to third point. Now C45 and Cp in series, therefore Q is equal to Q45 equal to Qp equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb. Therefore we calculate from here that Vp, okay, Vp, wait, first we calculate V45. V45 is Q upon C45, which is equal to Q we have 6 into 10 to the power minus 4 upon C45 we have 20/3, okay. Now value of this is microfarad, which means 10 to the power minus 6, okay. Now we just solve this value. V45 is equal to 6 into 3, 18 by 20 into 10 to the power minus 4 plus 6, that is 18 by 20 into 100. When you solve this, this cancel by 5 times, which means V45 is equal to 90 volt, okay. Therefore you will calculate from here Vp is equal to V minus V45, which is equal to 100 minus 90, that is Vp is equal to 10 volt, okay, which means across this the value is 10 volt. Now we solve the potential across C4 and C5. C4 and C5 in series, therefore V4 is equal to okay, first we need to calculate the value of charge, that is charge 45, which is equal to C45 into V45, okay, which is equal to 20/3 into 10 to the power minus 6, and this result is 90 volts. This you will cancel, and by 30 times this is equal to 600 into 10 to the power minus 6, that is Q45 is equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb, okay. Therefore Q45 equal to Q4 equal to Q5 equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb, because C4 and C5 in सीरीज, इसलिए ये रिजल्ट आपका ये आ जाएगा. नाउ this we have already. Now V4 you will calculate is Q4 upon C4, which is 6 into 10 to the power minus 4 upon C4 we have 20 into 10 to the power minus 6, that is V4 is equal to 6 into 100 upon 20. This cancel by 5 times and we get V4 is equal to 30 volt. Therefore you will easily calculate from here V5, which is V45 minus V4, that is V5 is equal to 90 minus 30, that you get V5 is equal to 60 volt. Okay. Now this we solved here. Now we move to these two. CP here. CP is combination of equivalent of C12 and C3 in parallel combination. Okay, therefore V12 equal to V3 equal to Vp equal to 10 volt. As we calculate here, the value of Vp is 10. Okay, now Q3 is equal to C3 into V3, which is equal to 40 into 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. Therefore you will calculate is that 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb. This is the value of Q3. Now we move to potential difference across C12 is V12 is 10 volt. Okay, now Q12, which is equal to Q1 equal to Q2, is C12 into 10. Therefore Q1 equal to Q2 equal to C12 we have 20 into 10 into 10 to the power minus 6 coulomb. This we get Q1 equal to Q2 equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb. This is the charge across the two. Now Q1 is C1, potential difference across the capacitance C1 is Q1 upon C1, which is 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 upon this result we have 30 into 10 to the power minus 6, that is V1 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 plus 6 upon 30, which is 200 upon 30, that you get V1 is equal to 20 by 3 volt or 6.66 volt. Therefore V2 is equal to V12 minus V1, which is 10 minus 20 by 3, which we calculate that 30 minus 20 by 3, which is 10 by 3 volt. V3 is 1 minute. V2 is equal to 10 by 3 volt or 3.33 volt. These are the all individual values of the charge and potential difference across each. Just note down it. Now just I will write the individual conditions here, that is Q1 is equal to Q1 here, Q1 equal to Q2 equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb, and their respective voltage V1 is just we write here, V1 is equal to 20 by 3 volt and V2 is equal to 10 by 3 volt. Now Q3 is equal to 4 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb and V3 is equal to 10 volt. Now here Q4, first we have Q4 equal to Q5 equal to 6 into 10 to the power minus 4 coulomb and V4 we have 30 volt and V5 we have 60 volt. Okay, now Q1, Q2, Q3, Q4, Q5, V1, V2, V3, V4, V5. Okay, done. Now you will have the energy is equal to half CV square. This you have the result for the energy. Okay, now we calculate the energy across each. E1 which means capacitor 1, which is half C1 V1 square, which is equal to half into C1 we have C1, C2, C3, C4, C5. C1 is 30 into potential is 20 by 3 into 10 to the power minus 4, and we have this result in square. Okay, capacitance 30 into 10 to the power minus 6 into 20 by 3 square. This we calculate 30 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 6, 400 upon 9. So this is cancelled by 200 time, this cancel by 10, this is 3, this you will get 2000 upon 3 into 10 to the power minus 6. joule, which means E1 is equal to 2 by 3 millijoule, or you can write 10 to the power minus 3 joule, which is equal to 2 by 3 millijoule. This is the result for first. Okay, now E2, just I will explain you how the values value is 60. Okay, half C2 V2 square, which means half 60 into 10 to the power minus 6, and V2 we have 10 by 3. Okay, now this 3, this cancel by this 10 time, and you will get E2 is equal to 1 minute 10 by 3 whole square. Okay, so this will be 30 into 10 to the power minus 6. This will become 100 upon 9. This cancel by 3 time, and this is 10. So E2 is equal to 10 to the power minus 3 upon 3, which means joule, which means E2 is equal to 1 by 3 millijoule. Okay, now E3 we have half C1 V3 square. We have here half C1 we have 1 minute C3 we have 40, that is 40 into 10 to the power minus 6 into V3 is 10 square. So this will be cancelled by 20, and this 2000 into 10 to the power minus 6 joule, which means E3 is equal to 2 into 10 to the power minus 3 joule. That you will write is E3 is equal to 2 millijoule. Okay, next E4, half C4 into V4 square. Now this you have C4 is 20, half into 20 into 10 to the power minus 6 into this value is 30 square. This cancel by 10 times, therefore E4 is 10 into 900 10 to the power minus 6. On solving you will get this result is 9 into 10 to the power minus 3 joule, or you can write E4 is equal to 9 millijoule. And similarly you will calculate the result for E5, that is half C5 V5 square, which is equal to half C5 you have 10 into 10 to the power minus 6, and this result is 60 square. Therefore E5 you will get from here is 10 to the power 1 by 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 into 3600. Okay, this will be cancelled by 1800 time. So E5 is equal to 18 into 10 to the power minus 3 joule, which means E5 is 18 millijoule. This is how you can solve the numericals. Thank you.